Hello everyone, I'm Ken. Today I will talk about how to complete a recipe calculation. For this table, this is the questions here, and then for the yellow background is the equations, conversions that suitable for our calculation, and right down here also. And for the calculation here, recipe calculation individual quantity, for this one is 2 each x times the price is here. But the actual price depends on the pack size, so the actual is 13.45 divided by 4.5 dozens. And then for this calculation, 2 each times 13.45, because 4.5 dozens need to change to each so that we can cross out 1 dozen equals to 12 each. So this one is 4.5 times 12 each and each cross out, and the answer should be 0.498, and for 2 decimal places 0.50. This equation is here 2 times 13.45 divided by open bracket 4.5 times 12. This is the equation, and the answer is 0.50. Reminded, this is the dollar sign and 2 decimal place. Okay, for the second one, they are similar. 3 tablespoons, because 16 tablespoons is equal to 1 cup, and then 2 cups equals to 1.5 pound. And this is the original recipe calculation, 9.99. 2 times 3.5 pound, and then you can find that all can be crossed out, and then rest is the cost. So the answer is 0.20. Here, 3 times 1 divided by 16 times 1.5 divided by 2 times 9.99 divided by open bracket 2 times 3.5 close bracket, and this one is 0.2. Okay, the third one now. 13 each, 3 each equals to 1 pound, and 1 pound is equal to 500 grams. Okay, and this one should be 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. Okay, and then this one we can copy here. Yep. So this is the equation. Cross out each pound, gram, kilogram, and then this one, the answer is 17.311, and 2 decimal place is 17.31. 13 times 1 divided by 3 times 500 divided by 1 times 1 divided by 1000 times 7.99 divided by 1. Okay, 17.431. Okay, the fourth one, 175 milliliters, 230 milliliters, and equal to 5 grams. 30 grams is equal to 1 ounce. And then original equation, 6 times ounce. And then for this one, the answer is 0.278. And the 2 decimal place is here, 0.28. 175 times 295 divided by 230 times 126 times 100. Okay, this is the equation, and the answer is 0.28. Okay, another one, 2 packs. 1 pack is equal to 2 crackers. So this is the original one. After the cross out, only dollar sign and 0.22 equal to 2 times 2 divided by 1 times 27.555 divided by 500, 0.22. Okay, That's the practice. And then now have another one. Okay, that's the same. 4 cups. 1 cup is equal to 250 milliliters. 1000 milliliters, 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 2.5 kilograms. And original one, 6 times 1.5 kilograms. Okay, all of them can cross out. And then the answer is 9.358. And 2 decimal place is 9.36. Okay, 2 times 250. 1 times 1000 times 2.5. 50.69 divided by open bracket 6 times 1.5. Okay, and the answer is the same. Okay. B. 4 cups. 1 cup equals to 250 milliliters. 200 milliliters equals to 240 grams. 500 grams, 1 pound. And 30.22 of 10 pounds. After calculation, this one is 3.172. And this one is 3.17 after 2 decimal place. 4 times 250 divided by 1 times 40 divided by 200 times 1, 500. 13.22 divided by 10. This is the answer. That's the same. Okay, for C, 8 cloves. 12 cloves equals to 80 grams. 500 grams is equal to 1 pound. And then 5 pounds here, 23.65. Okay, and the answer is 0.504. And 2 decimal place is 0.50. 80 divided by 12 times 1 divided by 5. Okay, the answer is 0.5. Okay, last two. 2 tablespoons. 16 tablespoons is equal to 1 cup. Then 0.5 cup. 1.5 ounce. 1 ounce equals to 30 grams. And then copy the equation here. Okay, and after the calculation, this one which is 0.387, which is 0.39. 2 times 1, 16, 5, half times 30 times 12. Okay, 0.39. Okay, and then 120 fluid ounce. 1 fluid ounce equal to 30 milliliters. 900 milliliters. Okay, and the equation is 11.96. $120, 30 divided by 1, 2.99 divided by 900, 11.96. Okay, then we need to calculate the total cost. Total cost is 9.36 at 3.17, at 0.5, at 0.39, and at 11.96. The answer is this one, and the Excel equal to sum, open blanket, select here, then close blanket. Okay, the answer is the same. For the 7% weight is equals to 25.38 times 7 divided by 100. And the answer is 1.776, and this one is equal to 1.78, equal to this one. Equal to the total cost of ingredient times 7 divided by 100. Answer is the same, 1.78. 1.78. And the total cost is 25.38 at 1.78. This one is equal to 27.16. We can use sum again. Sum these two selection, close bracket, that's the same. And then for the last one, selling price is equal to 27.16, the total cost, times 100 divided by the percentage, 25% here, so we write down 25. So the answer is 108.64. Okay. For the Excel calculation, equals to this one, 27.16 times 100 divided by 25. This is the answer. That's the same. That's all for the recipe calculation I provided. Thank you very much.